Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, Monopoly. So let's just take out the plastic that we see. There's this film all around the box that we have to take out. And we're going to see what's inside of this thing. So from what I see, there's new pieces. I had the really old Monopoly from years ago. So you can see the pieces have changed from what I see in the box at least. We're going to see if everything looks the same quality as before with metal pieces and all that. So inside, what do we get? Alright, so this is my favorite part about Monopoly, is choosing your player. So let's open this up. I wish they made a bag that you can just open and close. This is a one-time open and that's it. So it kind of sucks if you want to keep things organized. But here we go with the pieces. So we got our battleship. We got, I call this one Roxy because my dog looks exactly like this. There's the classic car. They feel good, yeah. It's metal, it's not plastic, so it's still good quality. There's the dinosaur. A lot of people like the dinosaur. I gotta say, now that I see it up close, I like it too. Penguin, that's kind of nice actually, like that. And then we have the classic hat, which is awesome. We got a cat, not a fan of the cat. And we have a duck, which I am a fan of. So here we go. Those are the pieces. Alright, so in this, we got the houses, dice, everything, hotels. So it looks pretty standard. I don't see any changes from this. You guys can quickly see. There's the houses. Yeah, everything looks standard. No difference there. Plus we have this, which are cards. There should be another stack, I'm guessing. I'm gonna take that out in a second. Let's look at the board itself. So the board itself looks exactly like it always does. Perfect. Yep. You got everything around it. Looks really normal. Quality wise, yeah, feels good. Feels like it's gonna last just like my old one. So I'm really glad. So that's all the way around it. Thickness, yeah, it's the same thing. So if you guys had Monopoly before, the board's always kind of thick. So it does last. So there's some instructions right here. That's good. Because you know what? There's sometimes we're thinking like, can I do this? Can I do that? And we lost the instructions a long time ago. So it's kind of nice to see them once again. And I can see they did a better job with graphic design in this case, designing these guys. Here we go. Got some more stuff here. And then there's the money. Let's just put this on the side. So we got our cash right here. I'm gonna open that up in a second. And we have, yep, so we needed 2 stacks of these. So that's good. We have 2 stacks, which is perfect. So let's just put those on the side and let's open this up to see the money. It's most likely the same paper money as before. So here it is, here's the money. So yeah, it's just regular paper, just as before. So we got a bunch of 5s, 1s, 10s. We have some 20s right here, 50s. 50s, they changed the color. Huh, okay. Then we have 100s and 500. And that's it. That's just cardboard. That would be it for the money. And just so you guys can get a better look at the houses, that's how they look like. Just as before, I haven't seen any changes right here. Plastic feels fine. It's just like before, so again, they look exactly the same. Yeah, these guys are just a little bit bigger. Dice, pretty standard dice. Now let's look at this deck and what you guys will see right here. So we're gonna see everything that we can buy. Yep, so everything's right here. Then we have these guys. Yep, things that we can buy as well. We have more of these. So what I'm showing you guys right now is the French one that comes in here. There's the English one as well. So I'm going to show you that in a second. So here's the English one. So as I mentioned before, there are two. So here's the French version, here's the English. So that's why you need two of these. So again, it would be the same thing. We have everything we can buy and all that stuff. We have right here, community chest, stuff that we can buy, community chest stuff. So you guys can see the wording behind it. Hold on, let me just put this on the side. And then our community chest, if we look at the back, okay, so here's Chance, right? So that's how Chance looks like. And as you guys can see, it's only English. So you don't see the two languages on the cards. You do see the two languages on the board. It's bilingual, right? But on the cards themselves, you just see English, if you guys pick English. So it's all English. And then if you guys would like to play the French version, you guys can take this deck right here and then just look at the French. On the board itself, as you guys may notice, there's the wording in English and French. So there's both things here, as you guys can notice. Anyways, that would be it for this video. You guys got a quick glance at Monopoly right here. It's a quick unboxing. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.